Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into the Gateron Baby Kangaroo 2.0 switches. These are 5-pin, plate-mounted tactile switches designed for mechanical keyboard enthusiasts who are looking for a custom experience without breaking the bank. Gateron claims an impressive 80 million cycle lifespan for these switches, so durability shouldn't be a concern. Compared to the original Baby Kangaroo switches, the 2.0 version boasts a slightly heavier 59 GF operating force. This aims to provide a more pronounced and satisfying tactile bump. The upper housing is similar to Gateron's G Pro 3.0 switches, maintaining the condenser light effect structure. They've also upgraded the light guide column surface with a textured finish. This should result in more even and consistent LED lighting, which is a nice touch for those who are into RGB. The switch features a normally closed contact type and a plug-in connector type for easy installation. The top housing is made of polycarbonate, while the bottom housing is nylon. This combination of materials should contribute to a smooth and consistent feel. These are tactile switches, so expect a noticeable bump when you press them. The 59 GF operating force puts them on the heavier side, which some users might prefer for a more deliberate and tactile typing experience. They come factory pre-lubed, which should further enhance smoothness and reduce any scratchiness. These switches are designed for DIY enthusiasts, so if you're comfortable opening up your keyboard and swapping out switches, these could be a great option. The 5-pin design ensures compatibility with a wide range of mechanical keyboards. Overall, the Gateron Baby Kangaroo 2.0 switches seem like a solid option for those looking for a tactile switch with a pronounced bump and smooth feel, all at a reasonable price point. The upgraded light guide column and durable construction are welcome additions. If you're in the market for new tactile switches, these are definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.